Sydney and welcome back to my channel. This is Brooke. She's my little. She's been on here before.
Hey guys.
It's been a minute though, so she's back. Today we are putting together some IKEA furniture and just thought it would be comical to make a video out of it. So yeah, we went to IKEA and yeah, so we'll put in the little vlog bits. I gotta be one of like the few YouTubers who is just always like looking not well just all the time in their vlogs and like not caring about it. I don't know, it's just a vibe. As you guys can see, I'm not in my usual room. I am in a new room. I just moved apartments and yeah, it's a mess. Everything is just, it's a mess right now. I need to go to IKEA. I need to get a dresser. I have my clothes just sitting in garbage bags and like suitcases because I have nowhere to put them. So I need to get some other things besides a dresser from IKEA. So we're gonna go to IKEA. We here. We at IKEA. We gonna get lost.
That's right.
It's free. That way, everyone has
I'm on the hunt for this throw pillow that I saw online.
Fingers crossed.
And I really want to find it. I found my pillow. It's a good day so far.
Oh,
yes.
God.
A whole new world. That's your place for me and you. We're on the hunt for my dresser. And I got plants. And Brooke got plant holder.
For the plants
basket.
I don't have.
Yeah, for the plant she doesn't have. Yep, living life, living large. This is out of focus. We got the dresser. Now we gotta build it.
See how that goes.
It's gonna be great. Stay tuned. So we're gonna get started making the dresser. It's like a 6-drawer kind of like stand-up or lengthwise dresser. It's the
I think it's like
Hems.
Hems?
It's the Hems dresser. Yeah. So we're just gonna start it off with box number 1. There's 3 boxes. Almost left IKEA without the other 2 boxes because I didn't know it came with 3.
What would have happened to us?
Yeah, that would. Doing great. Oh yeah.
I'm a little intimidated. Ooh, I'm sure. Some light reading.
Oh wait.
Oh.
The bits. It's fine. We are now opening box 2. This is
I was like,
open. We're getting somewhere.
finally. Have some gray hair, I think.
Yeah.
So for those, we're gonna put these
So that's
ones
when we actually connect them.
in. Yay! That's the fun part.
Building furniture.
These go in there. And the sides.
Yes.
Really? What if we... Oh my god, this is fun. See, this is the fun part when it's not like up the little screws.
Hit stuff.
Oh!
And then you twist it like shut.
It's like my half of this just doesn't like stay assembled.
It just falls
You
apart
put it
in one
up,
half.
yours is doing great, the half of it's like...
Look at what we made!
Girls who build.
Girls who build.
Oh, God.
I just hurt my finger.
Should I take her outside?
Yeah. Get her out of here. As long as they both line up where like the ends stick
I think
out
it's the other
same.
way. Because this peg doesn't have anywhere to go.
Well, it's gonna have to.
It still doesn't.
I'm like, well, it's just gonna have to figure it out.
I'm gonna make it work.
Oh wait, that's wrong. It has to
Oh.
be that way.
Huh?
I'm lost.
Did you put the pegs in wrong?
No, they're right.
Let's see.
Crickets.
This is okay. Wait, we're what side are we on? We're on
L.
Okay. There we go.
Hey.
That's what I like to see. Yes.
When Wreck-It Ralph is life.
When he's the only boy in your life.
When Wreck-It Ralph is my Man Crush Monday.
He's not. What are you doing?
We need to put it on. Oh, we'll look back here. Okay, we need to only put the little baby pegs on L2 and R2. Yeah, and that's on the side of L2 and R2. Look at step 4.
Doesn't it?
We are defeated. So defeated.
There's just like, I feel like the boards need like a name. Like
Yeah.
they each need like a name. Like, okay, now you're gonna put Mike here.
Put Mike right here, put Joe over here. So lighting's different because now it's nighttime because we went to go get pizza because we were hungry. And we got this done and now we have to stand this up. So I was like, this is a good time to turn on the camera.
I'm nervous.
Ready?
Wait, how are we gonna like make sure it stands up though?
So we gotta hold it and push these pieces together.
Oh.
No problem.
Yeah,
We got it.
Okay. Or could we put it apart? Do it like from while it's like this?
Oh, should we? Smart.
You know what I'm saying? Oh,
Shoot.
that's not right. Is it? We're doing great over here.
We up to something. All of these are
They all lined up?
They're all lined up.
Wait, we're making moves.
We're
We're coming
making
along,
moves.
ladies.
If anyone needs IKEA furniture assembled, we're your girls.
Affordable prices. Maybe not the fastest.
Yeah,
but
we can't guarantee time, but.
it's like that Kylie Jenner quote. She's like realizing things. Oh, no, I'm nervous.
I feel like
I feel like we should.
up.
I feel like you should
I'm
kind
gonna
of
come towards
yeah.
you.
Mhm. Work it.
Now we need this. So the top is the black piece.
I was born of it.
And like is it shit.
Does that feel very? Oh.
There's no way of getting this guy out.
Are you okay? is your like blood sugar low? Get you some juice.
Gotta crank it.
Pop it.
Twist it. Pull it.
Does that make sense with the 3 and then the 4? I'm like not short, but I feel so short right now.
I don't know. I'm like, this thing's freaking tall. No.
No?
No.
Huh.
Dude, I'm so excited about this dresser. I've been doing this.
I'm gonna, as soon as we're done with it, I'm gonna tackle it and just see if it like withstands it.
Yeah, just a quick test.
Put it in the back of a pickup truck and just
Drop it.
see what goes on.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Everything looks lined up. Oh god.
Wait, it's not like.
No, don't say that.
Come this way.
Hello. Why did the mermaid wear seashells?
Why?
Because the bee shells were too small.
Yeah.
You're just gonna stab me in the eye. I can't breathe. I think I just peed. Oh god. I think I did it.
Anyways, just gonna put this. Screw
I'm
it.
gonna keep my face away.
Yeah.
I was like, this is the end. This is why we can't have nice things.
On the vlog camera because I don't want to move this camera, and excuse my completely messy room, but look it. So it's like 10:30 at night. We're still going at it, but we finished the whole main piece and now we're just making the drawers.
It's just a lot of wood over here.
It's a whole lot of wood over here.
It's just a lot.
I guess we'll keep rolling, but this, once we get it down, because you know, like we're professional builders, it's gonna get boring, and then we'll wrap up the
We'll just be
video.
too good, simply.
We'll be too good, so it won't be entertaining. It'll go like this.
Oh no!
You got it? Or not?
We're so annoying. I'm sitting here and I'm like, yep, we're the worst.
That right there is a drawer. Oh, she's a drawer. She's almost a drawer.
She's fashion.
She's fashion.
Oh god, I'm losing it.
We're delusional. We love a multitasking sister. We love a sister who multitask. Wait, do I put the pegs in the tube?
Put the peg in the middle.
This is a back. This is a back.
Like we're really moving along.
I know. Zam.
Zaddy.
Zam, Zaddy. I'm done. Okay, so, yeah, we finished. So, we kind of finished, the dresser. It's kind of here. It's standing. You know?
It's functioning.
It's functioning.
Yeah.
It opens.
Wow.
It closes. Yeah, we didn't really film the end because we were, like, picking up the pace because we're going to open our own business building IKEA furniture.
Just X Games mode. Just at the end.
X Games mode. That's what we were. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching us put together IKEA furniture. If you guys want to see like an apartment haul and everything, because I'm in my new place, comment or like or something. I don't know. Let me know. Just let me know. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you next week whenever I upload again, because I've been kind of inconsistent, so I'm sorry. But yeah, okay, bye guys.